Hey there, welcome back to my channel where you enjoy watching me making lovely DIYs to inspire you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me your sweet comments. I am so excited about today's video. I am participating in the Napkin Exchange Challenge hosted by Sarah at Sunflowers and DIYing, and the co-host for this month is Jackie from Mamma Mia DIY. Don't forget to check out their channels because they are two amazing crafters. You can check them in my description box below. We had our names drawn by the host and we have to send a package of 5 different napkins to the person that we received their name. I received my napkins from Brandy at Brandy Treasure Tomorrow, and I sent mine to Tammy from Happiness Creative Crafts. These two ladies are wonderful and they make lovely DIYs. You can check out their channels link as well as the playlist. You will really enjoy watching fabulous crafters to inspire you using napkins. So let's open the package that I get from Brandy at Brandy Treasure Tomorrow. Look at these napkins, fabulous colors. Look at this turkey napkin, this truck, these pumpkins, so cute colors. And I got a sweet note saying, "Hi Meriem, I hope you enjoy the napkins I sent you, and I'm sure you will do something amazing with them. I can't wait to watch the video." Me too, Brandy. Thank you so much. It's very sweet from you. And look at this goodies. So I got these cute sunflowers, some stickers, and farm signs and home signs. So now let's go start our first project and be creative. For this DIY, I need this sign from Dollar Tree, 2 napkins, and the long popsicle stick, some jungle blocks, and let's start it. I'm giving 2 coats of white chalk paint in the back of this sign, and after when it is dry, I'm gonna apply this piece of napkin, cutting all around this track, applying some Mod Podge. I'm adding my napkin over the white color so it will look nice. We will see the white color through the napkin. This plastic will help me to press into my napkin to make it flat to avoid some air bubble. And I'm applying some Mod Podge on top of napkin too. With these Jenga blocks, I'm making 3 pumpkins, 2 pumpkins with 6 blocks and 1 pumpkin with 3 blocks. Good. Painting with the white chalk paint when I'm done. And then with this napkin, I'm covering these blocks, Jenga blocks, to make 3 pumpkins. For this one, I'm using school glue. Apply it on these blocks. I cover it with this napkin all around. Cover with this brick color, using this plastic to help me make this napkin flat on these blocks. I have this wire twine that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm using it as the stem for this napkin. So these stems, I glue them on top with my hot glue. Then I wrap these napkins around with my twine bunch of times till you like how they look. Like this. Glue them with my hot glue. Trying to place them and glue it with my hot glue in the back. I have this long popsicle sticks. I'm gonna sandwich them together like a piece of food. I'm gonna make one in the bottom, one on the top. Then I'm gonna stain them with my Waverly wax, brown Waverly wax, to look like 2 pieces of food. Then with a piece of napkin, I am staining all around or distressing my sign with my brown oily wax to give rustic look to my decor. Now gluing the top and the bottom piece of wood, arranging some flowers in the right and the left, some 3D stickers, and this small tiny bow, buffalo check bow. I'm gonna glue it on each pumpkin. And these 2 ribbons, I'm making 3 loops. Tie them in the center with my tiny buffalo check ribbon, dovetail this ribbon, and I have a cute bow. And my last touch is adding these half wooden beads, painting them with black paint. I put them in each corner of my sign. And voila, my final look for this DIY. I hope you like it. Let me know in your comments. And I had so much fun using these napkins. I can't wait to show you my second DIY. Stay tuned to the end. In this project, I need this napkin with these 3 pumpkins. I need white cardboard, applying Mod Podge on top of this white cardboard, and then laying down this napkin with this. Then I ran my small iron over white print paper to help my image stick on my light cardboard. So I just have to hold the iron a few seconds. I cut these pumpkins. I have different sizes of pumpkins, and this frame that I got from Dollar Tree, and this scrapbook paper looks like rustic paper. I'm removing some words from this frame, Mod Podge, and this scrapbook paper. Next, I'm lining down these small dowels that I got from Dollar Tree, and then them evenly to shape a rectangle, and I glue them all together in the back using these popsicle sticks. I cut them to fit in the back like that. Now I glue this rectangle of dowels with my hot glue on my frame, and these pumpkins from big to small, adding dowels around inside and around this frame to give a nice look to this frame. So cute. I painted welcome fall sign that I got from Brandy with the black apple barrel paints. Then I given a shadow all around using my white chalk pen that I got from Dollar Tree. Adding this tiny bow, buffalo check ribbons. In center of each small bow, adding these jewel stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm making a tiny bow with my raffia on the center pumpkin, the one in the middle, and these half beads in each corner of my frame, and a holder in the back. Let's see how it turned out. It's so cute. I love how it turned out. Let me know in your comments what do you think about this one. And let's jump to the third DIY now. In this project, I need this long sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and this napkin, a pumpkin spice, and everything nice. I'm adding a Mod Podge on top of this wooden square piece that I got from Dollar Tree, piece of this napkin on top, wax paper on top of the napkin, running my iron on top of this wax paper for a few seconds, sanding all around with my sandbox to remove all the excess. And now I have this popsicle stick. I cut them, making shape of triangle, like triangle. I want to make a pocket, wooden pocket on top of the sign, like this. I hope it makes sense. Now I use some brown antiquing wax to go over my sign, just rubbing it with a napkin and to give us a nice stained wood look. Now in my sandbox, I'm removing all the glitter and sanding all the glitter and cover it with my brown paper to have a nice look in the back. When I am done with the antiquing, I'm taking a white chalk paint using my chippy brush to distress this brown part to make it look rustic and kind of give it some shape and shadow. Then we need to sand it to clean the surface. This needs to be coated with Mod Podge to look nice and sealed. I'm adding these wooden packets with these sunflowers and farm fresh sign that I got from Brandy. Now I'm adding some glitter on top of this farm fresh after I painted with white chalk paint. Now I'm gluing this wooden packet with wood glue on top of my sign, adding some sunflowers, this foam pumpkins, some fall leaves, and I'm adding stem with a rope, small rope to these foam pumpkins. I'm trying to arrange this bouquet inside this packet. Look how it turned out. It turned out amazing. What do you think? With beautiful colors, with this messy bow on the top. Let me know in your comments. Let's see the last project now. My last project is very simple. I'm using this napkin, cutting this turkey all around, and I have this light cardboard and taking off a layer from this napkin. I'm gluing with Mod Podge this piece of napkin, wax paper on top, and run my iron over this image, make it flat, cut this turkey. I want a solid picture to glue it on top of this scrapbook paper. I'm adding it on back of my frame. I have this Happy Thanksgiving napkin that I cut to glue it on this scrapbook paper, adding this feathers in the back of this turkey, adding these 3D stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, some flowers, and now I'm closing this frame. I'm making a bow with these two cute ribbons, adding in center this half bead, et voila, c'est très beau. It's simple and cute. Let me know in your comment what do you think. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for being here, and thank you for supporting my channel. See you soon. Bye.